Welcome back, everybody. It's a lovely day in the area where 50-degree temperatures were kind of rampant today, melting just about all the snow that was around here between that and some pretty serious rainfall that we had today. As you can see over here, looking back at the deck, it's all tented, getting ready for the, I'm sure the rubber to cure, or the, I don't know if actually the rubber membrane is put down below it, so maybe that's why they covered it, was to keep the insulation stack dry. I'm not sure. But that's tented off. As you can see up here at the top of the tower, the rubber membrane is up there. It just needs to be, finally trimmed and secured, I guess. Coming around here, you can see the chaos of the sheathing, just debris piles. This all needs to be cleaned up at some point, but there's a bit of work left to do, so no rush on that. These are the rolls that the rubber membrane comes on. So that's just kind of how it's shipped, in case people were wondered how it comes in terms of packaging. As you can see, we've built a nice little ladder today to get in and out of the window. Popular entry and exit point for this particular project. Going around, just kind of surveying what's going on. Some work over there where that fascia board was added back in and tied back into the round part of the turret or tower. Very nice looking work there. Looking pretty good. It's a little touch-up piece that wasn't quite done from last time. Just doing a bit of a walk around. Found a tape measure right here on the ground that didn't quite make it from somewhere. I'll pick that up because it's probably all rusty inside now. That's right, teach your kids, don't leave the tools out in the rain. No, my dad would get a kick out of me saying that, because he certainly instilled that upon us when we were kids, is don't leave tools out in the rain. Oof. And here you can see the mountains of material that need to be moved with the excavator. Now that I can see them again, I might actually get back over here and try to move some of it one of these days when I have some time off. You can see the framing crew are packing up for the day. It's pretty late in the day. It should be sundown within probably half hour or so.